Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable live stream for your speaker BOSE S1 Pro Plus. And all controls located at the back side of the speaker, and we need a third channel. Right here we have this wheel. Firstly, you need to press and hold on it. Now we have another menu, and here's in the second line we have live stream. So firstly, turn this wheel clockwise to swap to live streams, and then press on it. Now to turn on it, just press again on it, and if you want to turn off it, just turn this wheel clockwise and then press again. And that's it. Now you can turn this wheel counterclockwise and just go back, or after 10 seconds it will return to a normal menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.